no gold is not enough.
So guys, I am moving on with the next topic. Acha. Wi-Fi hacking and Android hacking I will do at the last because this is going to take a bit time. So I will do this to process at the last. Now I will show you the most interesting topic for today. That is dark web and deep web. Jeevnant, I will share all the videos in the group, but not the web server hacking because there are some security issues about this. Only I have permission to do this. You guys don't have permission. Ananya, you will get certificate by the next week. Don't worry. Guys, now let us move on with the next topic that is dark web and deep web. So please be patient with that. So first of all, I will introduce with you guys with the iceberg model. Guys, just give me 1 minute. Let me grab some water. Yeah. The iceberg model. Now, if you consider the whole internet world as an iceberg, only 2% of that thing is the surface web that you have that you get through Google or eBay or Twitter, YouTube, that a regular person see. That is only 2% of the total thing. Beneath that level, there is something called deep web. Deep web means these are some specially issued links which are available only with the users, where some highly sensitive informations are present. And at the last, there is dark web. The dark web is the illegal part of the internet world, where the information level is up to the highest, but the maximum thing is used illegally. Now a question can arise that is it always illegal to access dark web? No, it is not always illegal to use dark web. It depends upon the purpose you are using. So without wasting any more time, I will go straight away into the dark web world practically. So let us move on. I will use a special kind of browser here. The name of the browser is Tor browser. There are some rules for using this Tor browser. Please don't use Tor browser if you are not aware of the rules. The first rule is do not use Tor browser in maximized mode. Whatever size it has by default open, we need to use it in that particular size only. Now let me very quickly go on to the dark web markets. The actual guys, whatever course related doubt or any other doubt you have, please tell it in the WhatsApp group. Sagar, you can just download Tor browser from Google and you can install it. It is very pretty simple one. So yeah, so continuing, I will show you directly what is inside the dark web world. So first I will go into a link where there are ammunitions available. So let me go very quickly. So the link currently in which I am there, it is named as Black Market Guns. Now this Black Market Guns website sell guns, ammunitions, bombs, etc. So from here you just need to order and you just need to get the thing delivered at your home. So this is Black Market Guns, from where you will get things. Yes, Nikam, Tor itself has its own VPN connection. That is why I am safe. So please don't worry. So this is the guns of market. Market of guns. Yes, Praveen, please tell the doubt quickly. Acha, next I will move on to another marketplace where we will get some other stuffs. So let me go very quickly. Praveen, there are some particular webinar apps that we are using. We are using GoToWebinar. So therefore, it is allowing us to record the screen. Aniket Roy, yes, it is always illegal to buy stuffs from here. I am just for whatever I am showing, this is just for educational purpose. So I will request everyone not to try these things at your home. Here goes the proverb that these stunts are performed by professionals. Please do not try this at your home. Okay, guys, I am sharing the WhatsApp chat link once again. Everyone, please try that if you can log in. Because already more than 100 people has joined. So the WhatsApp link is pretty much working. Acha, so what can I get in the market? So basically this market is called Empire Market. So here you can see at the first only we are getting many drugs available. So after the drugs, we can get some digital products and carded items also. So let the thing get loaded. So yeah, you can see there are credit cards available. There are many pro accounts of many websites. There are some adultery contents also. So many things are available here. So these are the things available in the darknet market. So this was basically about dark web and deep web. But I will request, rather I will advise everyone, please don't try to open this type of links because you guys are not aware of this type of marketplaces. So these are only for educational purpose for your knowledge. So unless you have a proper knowledge, please don't try to open this type of links.